Hello everybody. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to turn this 2 extra large sweater into a loungewear set, a 2-piece loungewear set. So I'm going to crop the top, I'm going to make some shorts, I'm going to tie-dye it, I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to come back. But I'm going to show you how I'm doing it first. So this is the look at the sweater. It's pretty big. It goes down to my mid-thigh. And it is just a white sweater right now. It does have a hood, which is a key for a loungewear set. And yeah, basically I'm going to show you how to do this. So stick around and see what happens to this. I'm just going to lay out this sweater on my bed here. I'm going to find the best spot to crop it. So I'm thinking about going like maybe an inch below the sleeves here. So you're going to take a ruler, you're going to have a marker or preferably a fabric marker. I don't have one, this one's just a permanent marker, and then some scissors. And I'm going to measure down an inch from the armpit here because that's where I'm thinking, actually I might do an inch and a half. From both armpits, where the seam stops. And then you're gonna go across in a line. Now I'm just doing this really lightly because mine's a permanent marker. I don't know that it'll wash out. Make sure your line is straight. Mine is not. There we go. So then you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna crop her. What you do is you're gonna just pull this tight to just give it a little stretch. And now I have never washed this sweater. This sweater is brand new. Just gonna pull it tight and then you're pretty much done with this part of the shirt. For now anyways. Next, what you're gonna do, so you have this piece of the bottom that you took off. You're going to seam rip off the pocket, and then you're gonna seam rip off this band because this is gonna be your waistband. Shorts here. So once you're done seam ripping, you're gonna have this piece and then you're gonna have this piece. Put the scissors and stuff away. I have a pair of shorts here that I wear in the summer. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shorts, you're gonna fold them in half, you're gonna make sure you have a seam at the bottom here. Anyways, you're gonna wanna line them up so that you're where the crotch is and that sticks out like that. So then you're gonna draw your line to match the short shape. So I'm just gonna draw my line like this. Put those aside for now. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make sure that this is all lined up. This is all lined up. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece here, and you're gonna flip this piece over so that the two seams line up, even though there isn't a seam in the sweater. I might have to do it so that it's opposite so that I can get the right shape out of this one. And you're gonna line up the pieces again, and then you're just gonna cut out those pieces again. The same shape, but make sure all of your pieces are lined up or it's not gonna work out. Can I do it that way? Once you have these two pieces, you are going to line them up, make sure that they're as flat as they can be and that the seams line up the best that you can. Hopefully yours doesn't look like mine. And you're gonna cut, now my sweater didn't have any seams on it, so I'm just gonna cut down the side here to make it so that it's 4 pieces instead of just 2. Like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have 4 pieces. Just like this. And then we're gonna work with this side first. And we're going to put them right sides together like this. Line them up the best that we can. And then we are going to grab our pins and we're gonna pin this section here. And you're gonna do the same to the other side as well. Now we're gonna sew along this line, leaving this part out because this is your crotch area. And then this part is the open part that you cut before. So once you've sewed these 2 sides together, you can basically open it up and you've got one side of the shorts and the other side of the shorts. So just like that, you put them together again and you're going to sew up these 2 sides, so the seam sides of your shorts, and then you're gonna sew up the crotch because you don't want crotchless shorts. So this section here. So we're gonna just pin that now. We're gonna line up the seams in the crotch because you don't want a crotch that doesn't line up. To do what you did on the sides there, and you're gonna sew up this side and the crotch here. When you take the extra piece that you had left over from the cuff, you're gonna measure it around your waist to make sure that it's gonna fit you when you attach it. I measured mine and I cut off the excess. So you're gonna have this piece. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna, basically I'm gonna flip my shorts right side out because you wanna sew right sides together. So you're also gonna take it so that the piece that you seam cut is the piece that you're sewing against your shorts. And, or sorry, this point hits here and the other, their seam is on the side, not the back. So I'm just gonna do that now. So once you do the band, this is what it's gonna look like. On both sides, you've got your pair of shorts, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna roll these up. I'm gonna stretch them out and I'm gonna roll them up, and then I'm gonna sew on the seam here just to hold them up as the cuff short. Once you're done sewing the cuffs of the shorts, if you even want them, that's up to you, you'll have a finished product, and just hang around and see what my finished product looks like.